small, you can find it, right? I'm Dirk Kochan, founder of United City Bikes. I'm not proud of my English, but I'm proud of this one.
We at United City Bikes are sure you like to be flexible and independent. You don't want to be stuck in traffic and spend your time looking for parking? At United City Bikes, we have developed a folding bike that takes urban mobility to the next level. We have asked ourselves, what do you actually need?
Our answer is the world's lightest, smartest, most flexible and most affordable electric folding bike.
A bike that only weighs 12.5 kilos is easy to carry, easy to store and easy to ride.
Quality is our top priority.
You invest in a product that is made to last. The One is not just another folding bike. It contains more than 20 patents, has a handmade magnesium alloy frame, and if you opt for the extra large battery, it reaches up to 60 kilometers. You can fold the One in 10 seconds. A high-performance magnet holds it in place, and it's only 25 centimeters slim in folded condition. We at United City Bikes hope to change the world by changing the way we move. But we are convinced that changing the world can also be fun.
Get involved and become a part of our crowdfunding campaign.
We don't need crowdfunding to develop this bike, but to start rolling it out. This is a fully tested and certified product. We are ready for the next step to make the world's lightest electric folding bike accessible to everyone in every city in the world. Order the One, and it will come to you fully equipped and ready to use. No compromises, no hidden upgrades. The only compromise we made was the price. How do we manage to keep the cost down and the quality high? We use our experience. We source products from great partners. We know about manufacturing. We believe in crowdfunding and direct online trade. We produce as much as we need. We don't waste money on storage, dealerships, etc.
Everyone gets off this bike with a big smile. Support us to market the world's lightest and smartest electric folding bike globally. We are ready for the next step. Take it with us. Order the One now and you will save up to $890 on the regular price. And I promise that you will have it this summer.
Does your morning look like this? There is a better way. A compromise-free way. One that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is Carbo. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's Carbo.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the Carbo, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make Carbo come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about the ride home? The smart screen can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and guide you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. Carbo is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
Carbo is ready to roll,
Fully functional.
ready for production.
All we need is your support to make this
a reality.
Introducing the MOAR e-bike, the first of a new generation of e-bikes that are both fun to ride and practical on a daily basis. The MOAR bike conquers steep hills and will cruise all day and up to 20 miles per hour. Right away, you'll notice the 26 by 4-inch fat tires with double the footprint of a standard mountain bike. More rubber means more traction, letting you ride over wet pavement, potholed roads, or loose surfaces with ease. MOAR offers the only affordable fat tire e-bike equipped with both front and rear suspension. Full suspension provides agile handling and a smooth, stable, and comfortable ride at any speed over any terrain. The frames are constructed out of 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum. Light, strong, and guaranteed not to rust. And when you're done riding, the frame easily folds in half for storage or transport. And there's no need to call it a day when the sun goes down. Bright LED projection headlights illuminate the road ahead without blinding oncoming traffic, while soft angel eyes light up the rider and give a face to the bike. A centralized 48-volt battery powers the whole system. It's wrapped in an IP65 rated, splash-proof aluminum housing and offers immediate power delivery. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, a commuter or a trailblazer, MOAR offers the ultimate e-bike for your needs.
Vello bike, lighter, smarter and more compact than any other electric folding bike on the market. Unique technology, unique you. In the past 15 years, electric bikes and electric folding bikes on the market haven't changed much.
We have looked at what's out there and took the latest technology for electric bikes to develop something new. The lightest, smartest and most compact electric folding bike. It is lightweight, has a sleek design and folds extremely small. Introducing Vello Bike Plus.
I'm Valentin Vodev.
And I'm Valerie Wolf, the founders of Vello Bike.
The Vello Bike takes advantage of the next generation of regenerating electric bike technology that has the ability to charge the battery while pedaling, so you can ride forever without having to recharge it. Connected to your phone via Bluetooth
to select different power modes,
track your road or lock your bike motor with the app and make it difficult for thieves to steal it.
Furthermore, Vello bikes are high-performance folding bikes that feel and ride like a full-size bike. Is shock absorbent and provides for a safe ride.
Use it for multi-modal commuting. Fold and roll in a second thanks to its patented self-locking magnet system and then wheel it around everywhere. At the same time, it can be folded extremely small. Take it with you everywhere and place it under your work desk easily.
It was designed to fit all body sizes due to the fully adjustable height of the handlebar stem and extra long seat post.
Vello bikes have been designed for the urbanouts, feel the freedom and culture of urban lifestyle.
In 2015, the Vello bike was awarded the prestigious Red Dot Best of the Best.
With your support, we can bring it to life.
Check out our reports.
Many full-size folding bicycles are often too expensive or don't fold smart. The quest have been to create a bicycle that looks and rides like a normal full-sized bicycle, yet can be easily folded down to a tad larger than its wheels. Introducing FUBi Fixie. FUBi is a folding single-speed or fixed-gear bike, having the performance, design, and price of a normal full-sized bike. It folds easily and without the use of any tools. The folding locking mechanism has a double action for safety. The patented design offers a stiff and cool frame, and that is designed to have the same riding features as a normal fixie would. The bike comes with a flip-flop hub and rear and front brake, so you have the option to use it as a single-speed bike or as a fixed-gear bike. Sometimes you have to lock your bike outside. With FUBi folding, locking your bike is safer with wheels and frame locked together with one U-lock. FUBi uses only available standard parts, so if you already have single-speed bike, you can turn it into a folding bike just by buying the frame. It fits in the trunk of most cars and can be taken on public transport where folding bikes are accepted. The bike is designed on the existing FUBi frame technology that has been tested for many years. This frame design has proven itself to be both stiff and safe. We now have well-functioning prototypes, so the only thing that is now missing is your support so that we can get it into production. To ensure FUBi Fixie will meet its deadlines and quality requirements, we have teamed up with an established bike manufacturer that will produce the bikes.
Thank you for supporting us.
Imagine riding a whole new experience. Imagine state-of-the-art technology all in one design. Imagine discovering a completely new concept. Imagine taking perfection to a whole new level. Now, stop imagining.
We are the team behind VIKA. We've been working on this project for the past 3 years. Now, we want to scale our project to bigger proportions, and we need your help. Join the revolution and continue your journey with us. Thank you for watching.
We are Flit, and this is the Flit 16, a brand new generation of folding e-bike. The beauty of the Flit 16 starts with the frame. It's been engineered for high stiffness and incredible handling, and with the battery built in, you can't even tell it's electric. We've engineered a rear suspension system that takes the bumps out of the road, and with a rear hub motor, you'll feel the kick, but always be in control. Our journey began 3 years ago when I met my co-founder Alex. We both love the way that e-bikes allow people to explore their cities in ways that you can't by car. We wanted to take this idea even further by developing a folding e-bike.
To build a folding e-bike that rides as well as it looks, we had to do things a little differently.
We developed a custom lithium-ion battery pack and a completely new way of folding. With my background as an automotive engineer, I focused on the bike's geometry to give a comfortable but responsive ride, perfect for city journeys. We then built up a team around us to make our e-bike a reality. I worked closely with David to define our award-winning clean and simple design. Joe spent many long hours prototyping parts of the design to test and perfect it. A year ago, we started working with a specialist aluminium bike manufacturer to build rideable prototypes. With our final prototypes in hand, Alex and Gemma began to tell our story, organising test rides all across the UK. It's been great to hear the feedback from our first Flit riders.
When you start going, it gives you that kick, that acceleration. It's incredible. It's really cool. I really like it.
After 3 years of development, half a dozen grants and awards, and hundreds of test rides, we are ready to build our e-bike. Join us in the next chapter of our story, and together we'll bring the Flit 16 to life.